Kecai balan sukses, kecelawa cinmangai takarong auto pen pakarkan makonyangan sansan. Muren pecek kanai mewayawiyang sa macayin wasa o kakanapali raikan ma-quarantine o wanchochon passing set me PTR Pohnpei match elayang sa Pohnpei COVID-19 task force. Abachuan kachkalar wanchochon passing set kan koras Mepan kakan paculang ato Pohnpei. Kosanto watch pang nito changachang lao kosanti sapal purayaw yawi tamor. Sa Pohnpei State Constitutional Order memor ang suksej kan purayaw apalta puena pani irawach. Achmol sa karan misuk kan kupuran men Pohnpei koras mekupur kien sapani wen Pohnpei na narayaran ng supukach Masakalata lang main na narayaran ng suso tuwa chemech. Kachay kachinawalipin kachay o kasakas. Po kachay din sa bulman kirasan na Pohnpei sarawach. Pilewa o taban pagay makunangan sensan. Pohnpei Coffee Day Saktuwa Task Force. Men pachuan kapeseyang o kachaman kachon Pohnpei. Metalapuan mga tataw ang ren kalalabangkan o ireso chilipilipilkan. Meptata kabinsalet, tasumao Coffee Day Saktuaw, yay nampen telepon siluriyaw siluwew tuaw. Yay telepon nampewach, makompan tatongki, siluriyaw siluwew tuaw, makompan kachin, tapachumanakar, ang kalalabak takay na masulipilipil, meptata kabinsalet, Coffee Day Saktuaw. Puan kapachayang match, makong sabulman kita chumalang kisain, takilalan kapinsale, tasumawach, akong kachin, tapachawanakar, nampen telepon siluriyaw siluwew tuaw. Kosanto pukach, uyawita puan torre, to pasangan sumaw lusulus, COVID ay saktuaw. Kalangan ng kuburan koros. Pilewa o taban pagkain, mapikonayangan sansan, kayo pansansan ni Pachuan Wine. This advisory served as an official announcement from the Pohnpei State Government to provide information and recommendation to the general public on the ongoing state of emergency declared by Constitutional Executive Order Number 20-01, signed by the Honorable Reid P. Oliver, Governor of Pohnpei State on March 11, 2020. Gathering advisory for Pohnpei. To limit the spread of COVID-19, the public is strongly advised to avoid public events and gatherings. The intent of the measure is to avoid non-essential gatherings which may facilitate the spread of COVID-19. The public gatherings include cultural funerals, traditional community feasts, church, and religious gatherings, including upcoming Easter Gospel, sport events, sagaw markets, birthday parties, fundraisers, bingo, and any gathering in the public. Avoid close contact with others as much as possible. Maintain at least 6 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. As much as possible, please stay at home. Limiting alcohol use, as this may affect your ability to adequately follow this advice. The following people should not attend events of any size: anyone who is unwell and anyone who has recently traveled in the past 14 days is highly urged to self-isolate. And anyone with existing health condition, such as those with diabetes, kidney problem, high blood pressure, chronic lung disease, or compromised immune systems. COVID-19 is caused by a new virus that causes a flu-like illness. The virus spread primarily from person to person through close contact, usually when an infected person coughs or sneezes and the respiratory droplets land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby. A person may also be infected if they touch a surface or an object like a door handle or table that has the virus on it and then touch their mouth or face. Generally, the virus is only spread when a person is in close contact with a sick person, for example, living in the same household or workplace. Common signs and symptoms: fever, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. A recent study published in New England Journal of Medicine has concluded that the coronavirus survives on hard surfaces such as plastic and stainless steel for up to 72 hours and on cardboard for up to 24 hours. Washing your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds or using 60% or more alcohol, paste, and sanitizer kills viruses that may be on your hands. Please check with the governor's office for the latest information. You can call us at phone number 320-2570 or visit our Facebook page, Pohnpei State and Nkelap, or email to pohnpeipublicinformation@gmail.com. Pagkaiwatch kami sa instansan ni Pachon ni Masanen Pohnpei, kawait kan mepit kabaganakan nanwain Pohnpei. Pwede rin ito basangan kabinsalet and coronavirus, kawait ang mga kuway bakon and Pohnpei and ter patsiyang kabagan labakan. Kawait watch yauta pwede kang mga kuway bakon and ter patsiyang kabagan so chakarwarukan, mepil kapuya wasan kaparabasang maasan kabinsalet and so mawanway kapwatch. Kabakan labakan niya metuway check muralankan, kamatpanwaw tako sabakan, kautok o kabakan labakan and mamotsokan, o paniyan lamalamakan metuway check pitaganister, wasan kamotongkan, ni marketing sakaukan, ni putikan, ni fundraising kan, pengko o wasan kabakan chekan. Nansiyang ter karani teto kame chekan, na kong chunganan kay kabinsalet. Na kong kapagopta si akong yananen to kisang may chekan, page 1. Yaramen katsang tapachwasang ni chen pasamwi maso chakarape. O kachikala chungale tesakan sa kawanway, pokong yan kakitawen, uyapen kawit pukach. Era yachakan sa manaramaskan, meso chakonen, and yang kachang kapagonkan, Irail kan mechungalan ki lomong takabinsalet, Irail kan mesilok na rairan rali sa kayo pachalar, utananan kachoro sang mechikan, o Irail kan mekowaga kabinsalet kan, merasong sumawin sukal, mutilik, inchalaut, ngach, tamok o kawachikan. Rob kapo yung mabachota ng New England of Medicine, Ebacawan kateteta na coronavirus kin memorbi away si sa kriyaw, doon was nakakalumangkan matuway siya plastiko meche, o wari sa kayo, doon tupson mawiyawi kita kakon. Puyan kami lamas the virus watch, kung yan na omyam kisop o pil, so chamo-chamo sang sa kanriyasak, tapi lang yung kay hand sanitizer, mawiyawi kita 1% wanay sa pachota. Kawait kawakan pangkin pachosang ni opsin kapna o kung kakan maasan lang ni nempen telepon sa L'Oreal Sero, Real Limawi Su Sero, ten Facebook page na tanaki Pohnpei State ang Nkelap. Te kung kakan email ang pohnpeipublicinformation@gmail.com.